For a limited time only, we have this great new item called the Ironclad Warship. This was a steam-propelled warship in the early part of the second half of the 19th century, which was protected by iron or steel armor plates.
This exciting new invention is a newer model of the first battleship named La Gloire, which was launched by the French Navy in November 1859.
This great item was made by a bold entrepreneur by the name of James Buchanan Eads. Along with this, he created many other technological marvels.
If you don't believe us, listen to our specialists, Andrew and Matt. Hey, I'm Andrew.
And now Matt.
And today we're testing the difference of strength between an ironclad warship and a traditional wooden warship.
To test this out, we have a skateboard ramp that is made out of metal and a piece of wood which would be used on a regular ship. And we have this airsoft gun to show the impact of what would happen if something as small as a little rock would hit the iron warship, and the difference if it would hit the wood. And this is how we will show this.
Alright, first Matt is going to shoot the wooden object and we'll examine the damage. Alright, let's go see what it did. As you can see, the wood has been severely dented and almost broken by the BBs. Now let's see what would happen if we shot the metal.
As you can see, there is no sort of marks or anything except for previous scratches, which proves that the wood ship would have been much weaker than the ironclad warship, which was the reason why most people preferred the iron warship when going into battle.
Now that you've seen the superiority of our ironclad warships, we assume that you want to buy one. Matt here's got the details.
If you would like to buy one of these special items, then call 1-800-WARSHIP or visit us online at www.warshipsorus.com.
Thanks for watching.